Ever wondered why a certain product on sale seems more attractive, even if you don't need it? Welcome to the intriguing world of behavioral economics. It's a fascinating field that studies how psychological, social, cognitive, and emotional factors impact the economic decisions we make every day. Unlike traditional economics, which assumes that we're all rational beings who always make decisions that provide the most benefit, behavioral economics understands that we're a bit more complex than that. It recognizes that we're influenced by a myriad of factors, many of which we may not even be aware of. Think about the last time you made a purchase. Were you swayed by the color of the packaging? Did you buy more because the product was on sale? Or maybe you chose the middle option because it seemed like a safe bet. All of these are factors that behavioral economics takes into account. Turns out, humans aren't always as rational as traditional economics would have us believe. Every day we make countless decisions, but have you ever wondered how we manage it all? The secret lies in mental shortcuts our brains use to streamline decision-making, known as heuristics. These are like the GPS of our minds, guiding us through the maze of options we encounter every day. Let's take a common example. When shopping, we often associate price with quality. If we see a pair of shoes that are more expensive than others, we automatically assume they're of higher quality. That's a heuristic at work. We don't have the time or energy to evaluate every single detail about every pair of shoes. So our brain uses this shortcut. But here's the catch. While these mental shortcuts are incredibly efficient, they can sometimes steer us wrong. This is because our brains are wired to prioritize speed over accuracy. Heuristics allow us to make quick decisions, but they can also lead to significant errors. Ever found yourself sticking to a decision, even when evidence suggests you're wrong? Well, you're not alone. This is a prime example of bias, our systematic errors in judgment and decision-making. These are not random mistakes, but patterns that can predictably lead us astray. Take, for instance, the confirmation bias, a sneaky little culprit that makes us favor information that confirms our pre-existing beliefs. It's the reason we tend to stick to our guns, even when the facts are stacked against us. It's why we're more likely to listen to a friend who shares our political views than to a well-argued point from someone on the other side. Or consider anchoring bias, where we rely too heavily on the first piece of information we encounter when making decisions. It's why first impressions matter so much, and why that initial price tag often clouds our judgment of what's a good deal. Awareness of these biases can help us make better, more rational decisions, bringing us a step closer to the rational beings traditional economics assumes us to be.